In this video, I will discuss what is a video schema, why you should use the video schema in your website, and how to generate the video schema, and lot more. Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging. I am Abhishek Wadi and let's start the video. So recently I have published a blog post about the pros and cons table, and here I have embedded a YouTube video. So if I want to index it in Google and other search engine, then I should use the video schema in this blog post. So video schema help search engine better understand the video inside a blog post. It will help search engine to understand the title of the video, the length of the video, and the thumbnail URL, the publish date, and lots more. So let's check how you can generate the video schema and embedded it in your blog post. So to generate this video schema, you have to go to the schema markup generator, which is technicalseo.com. So before that, let me just show you an example. Here I have in the search console dashboard, and when I click on the enhancement tab, you will see a section called video. So if you embed video schema in your blog post, then the section will appear in your search console dashboard. So when I click on the valid, it will show a new option, and when I click on this, it will show the list of blog posts that has video schema in it. So let's check how you can generate the video schema. So first of all, you have to select the schema generator, and here in the drop down menu you have to select the video, and I will leave this website link in the description so that you can easily generate video schema for your website. So here you will ask to enter the video name, the video description, the upload date, and the duration of the video. So let me fill up this. So I have prepared the video title and description here. So let me just add the video name here, then copy the description of the video. So you can add first 2 lines in the video description. So paste it here. Then you have to select the upload date. So the upload date is July 13. So here click on upload date and select the date. Now you have to select the duration. So here is 4 minutes 30 seconds. So let me select 04 and 13 seconds. Now you have to add the thumbnail URL. So to add thumbnail URL, you have to add the URL structure in this format. So by default the video URL is this, and this is the video ID. So copy the video ID and replace it here. Insert YouTube video ID here. So let's replace this and then copy this URL. Now paste the thumbnail URL. So it will pull the thumbnail URL from the YouTube server. Now you have to add the video URL. So select the video URL and you have to add it here in the content URL section. Now you have to add the embedded URL, means the video which is embedded in the blog post. So copy the blog post URL and paste it here in the embedded URL. Now you can also add a publisher name, publisher logo, but this doesn't mandatory, so I will leave this as it is. Now you can validate the schema. So click on this Google icon, and here you can select the rich result test tool. So it will test this code, if this code is valid or not. So it will take some time to analyze the code, so let's wait. And as you can see, the video schema is detected. So in this way you can generate video schema for your website. So copy this schema code and go to the blogger dashboard, and here select the blog post. Now you have to switch to the HTML view from the compose view and scroll down to the bottom and paste it like this and click on update. Now you can again check the schema code if it is implemented properly in the blog post. So copy this URL and again go to the rich result test, and here you have to paste your blog post URL and select test URL.
A few moments later.
And as you can see, the test tool is detected the video schema in this blog post. So in this way you can add video schema to your blog post and index your video content in the website easily. So there is one question that you can ask: will YouTube count the views of an embedded video? Then the answer is yes or no. So if the video is autoplay, then the YouTube will not count the view, and if a user leave the video after clicking on the button before 30 seconds, then the views will not count in the embedded video. In this way you can add the video schema to your blog post, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. And by the way, if you want to add a lazy load video in your blog post, then you can watch this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.